Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you guys have already read from the title, today's video is a requested video on what is on my phone. Now, I have a Note 5, Samsung Galaxy Note 5, and I honestly love this phone. I've had it for, I would say, 2 years and it works great. So once I log in, of course it's a picture of me on the lock screen, and so I can use either my fingerprint to enter in my phone, or I can add in my digits. So once I do that and I'm in my phone, next of course, as you guys can see on my home screen, I have a wallpaper, Louis Vuitton wallpaper, and I honestly love it. And also it's my favorite color, pink, so why not? Also update the weather forecast of my city, so I just had to refresh that. So it tells me what the temperature is in my city. And next, of course, I have the ordinary apps that comes with the phone. Of course, the settings app, camera, Play Store, my message app. And now in here, of course, I have my other apps, and then of course my Photoshop app. I usually use this to edit my thumbnail pictures. And yeah, just the apps that came with the phone. And then next I'm going to take you guys to the apps that I have. So in my social media folder apps, I have Snapchat, which I don't use a lot. I have WhatsApp, SoundCloud, and then of course my Instagram account, which I am very much active in. You guys can check out my Instagram. It is _theamanpreetmatharu. I have a link to my YouTube channel here as well. I have all my videos here, of course, just so if anyone wants to watch my videos, they can just click on the link on my Instagram page and just watch them. Now I'm just going to exit out of YouTube, and of course it's going to take me to my Instagram page. I usually post a lot on my story as well, so do also stay tuned for that. I usually give all my updates and stuff on my videos and stuff when I'm posting everything on Instagram, so do follow me. Instagram link is below this video as well. Next, if I slide over, I have my Facebook app and my Messenger app. I don't know why I have Skype, to be honest with you. I'm not really active on Facebook much, but if you guys want to follow me, it's again theamanpreetmatharu. So yeah. And next, of course, I am honestly obsessed with this game called My Home. I love playing this game most of the times if I'm free, and I'm not sponsored by My Home, but if they are watching this video right now, you know, do sponsor me, but I'm not sponsored with this game at all. So basically this game is about like just decorating your home in the game, and you need a lot of points to buy certain furniture for your home, and in order to win those points, basically you play like these puzzle games. So I'll show you guys what I mean. So if I see here my energy is full on here, so it's basically like Candy Crush, like you're connecting it's like connecting like the same matched items together. That's all it's about. So if I connect the blues together, and then I connect, it has to be 3 and above. I mean, the more you match, the more points you get, and that's basically it, you guys. So, and again, this video is not sponsored at all, so just wanted to let that out. I recently downloaded the TikTok app, you guys, but I'm not active as much, but I'm actually planning on being more active on TikTok, so do stay tuned. Again, it's theamanpreetmatharu. That's the name of my TikTok. So I haven't made any videos yet, but I will let you guys know. Next, I have my Galaxy Themes app that comes with the phone. It has different wallpapers that you can choose from. And that is it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Comment down below, let me know what other great videos you guys want me to make next. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss a post. And I will see you guys very soon. I'm going to be posting a new video very soon, and all my updates of course is on Instagram, so any videos that I will be posting, I obviously will put it on my story and let you guys know through that. And yeah, stay safe you guys, take care, and see you, bye!